Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to share with you guys how to manage your natural hair properly. So I get a lot of questions about dryness, about hair not moisturizing properly, or after moisturizing your hair gets dry. I would like to start by saying that generally kinky, coily textured hair is always prone to dryness. It will always get dry. The reason is because the sebum that our scalp produces, that is the natural oil that is supposed to travel down the shafts of our hair, is unable to do so because we have a coily textured hair. Our hair is coily, it's not straight. So it's very easy for a hair type that is straight to get all that oils from the scalp down the hair strands. Down for those of us with a kinky coiled textured hair, to get sebum to travel down the shafts of our hair. So this is a common issue, and it's something that everyone at one point in time had to deal with or is still dealing with. So it's not something that you should be worried about or something that you should be panicking about, that your hair does not retain moisture. What you should be doing is trying to get look for methods that will work for you, methods that will enable you enable your hair to retain moisture a bit longer than usual. So let's say your hair dries out every single day or in a couple of hours after moisturizing your hair. So what you need to do is to figure out how to ensure that your hair stays a bit, moisturized for at least 2 days. 2 days maximum is something that our natural hair can really work with. In the course of my studying my hair, trying to look for what works for me and all that, I've been able to see that my hair can retain moisture for at least 2 days. So in rare cases where I get to feel my hair retaining moisture for longer than that, that means I'm actually doing something to hydrate my hair more at that period. This is one area where a lot of us are having difficulties because we lack the basic understanding of what our natural hair really needs. So that is where hair porosity comes into place. What is hair porosity? Hair porosity is how fast your hair absorbs moisture, that is water, oils, or any moisturizing products. For some hair type, your hair can absorb moisture quickly, but for some hair type, it takes a lot of extra effort for your hair to really absorb moisture. We have three major hair porosity type, and that is the low porosity, the high porosity, and medium porosity. So the low porosity are those kinds of hair texture that the cuticles of the hair is closely knitted together. They are tightly coiled, does not easily allow water to absorb into the hair or any other product for that matter. Then high porosity hair type is those hair type that allows that the cuticles are widely open, so therefore they can accept moisture, they can accept products and all that, but they can easily lose those moisture as quickly as they absorb those moisture. Then we have the third type of hair porosity, which is the medium porosity. So in this category, the cuticles are neither tightly close together nor widely apart, so they are just in the middle. So in between. You're in between low porosity and high porosity. So understanding this is a key factor for you to be able to know how to manage your hair properly. This is something that everyone should know basically. I know not everyone tends to buy into the idea of knowing your hair porosity, testing your hair porosity and all that. Yes, by all means, do what works for you, but it doesn't work for every other person. So it is just advisable that you should you should know at least your hair porosity, because it will go a long way in helping you sort out some of these problems you might be having with dryness and all that. This is just a background information that you should know as a natural hair person, or you're just growing your natural hair, or just starting to understand how your natural hair works. It is not a one size fits all. It is not something that is uniform for everybody, because we are all different. Going ahead to know your hair's porosity will really help you to understand your hair, and thereby you'll be able to know the kinds of products to use at a particular time. So there are lots of products out there, of course, natural hair care products out there, but there are some that are specifically used for low porosity hair, and some that are used for high porosity hair, and some that just goes for any hair types. Don't just go by just what is popular out there, or what someone or your favorite YouTuber or your favorite influencer is using. And this is the reason why a lot of people have complaints about their natural hair. So they tell you that they've been using this thing for a long time and it's not really working, because maybe you as an influencer or YouTuber have said that this thing works, and so they try it and it doesn't work out for them. This is the understanding that everyone should know, that not all products that work for someone out there that can work for you. So know your own hair's porosity so that you can be able to match it with the kinds of products that can actually work for your hair type. Over time, I've discovered that some people have more than one type of hair porosity on their hair. So they can have a bit of high porosity on the back, or low porosity at the front, or a mixture of both in between. There are ways in which you can know where you fall into. Either you're the low porosity type, or the high porosity, or you're just at the middle, which is the medium hair porosity type. In my next video, I'm going to share with you guys various ways in which you can test for this hair porosity. For example, myself, I've always considered my hair type to be low porosity, because in order to allow any product into my hair, I have to use heat. Even after moisturizing my hair, I have to wear a plastic bag to let the product to sit in for a couple of minutes before I take it out. What has really helped me a lot is making my own product, because then I'm able to know the kinds of product that I need for my natural hair. And while not everybody might have the luxury of doing that, there are also good and nice products out there that you can use. All you just need to do is to know what your hair loves. Then you'll be able to know the kinds of ingredients that you're looking for in a product that can help your hair to thrive. So whether you're low porosity hair, or high porosity or medium porosity, you can be able to figure out what exactly works for your natural hair type. There are more than one ways to test for your hair porosity, so I'll be sharing that in my next video. So if you do want to see that, please kindly turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And also do like this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then do hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.